What's up, everybody? It's Jason Alexander, the Blue Moon and Neptune, here to help you navigate through the illusions of life. You're watching a Market Moon Lord, where we merge the matrix with the stars. And today we're going to be doing a continuation video of AMC's moon phase analysis that we did last week. Everything we said on this video is kind of lining up pretty nicely, and this will be a continuation. This video will be extremely short. If you want a full view of what I think that's happening with the stars and AMC and the stock market, I would definitely watch this because I do think we're going to get a repeat squeeze setup just like we had on Volkswagen, based on the stars, based on the setup, based on the timing, and then based on this moon phase analysis on AMC that also lines up for AMC to have a really big move. So all that is lining up in this video. Continuation of this video is right here, but check out that video if you didn't for a better understanding of this video. But we talked about in the last video that we had the new moon eclipse, and typically during the eclipse times we can see highs or we can see lows, or bottoms from a trend. Okay. So we had the moon phase, new moon eclipse over here, and it looked like we bottomed, and this was the new moon eclipse we had again. And it looks like let me turn on my indicators actually, or my drawings. Okay. Here we go. So here's the eclipse that we had over here. We can see that right after this new moon eclipse, it went down. All right. But it was a bottom. And now we have another eclipse over here, a new moon eclipse, and it did the same exact thing. Okay. And then it started turning right before the full moon. You can see it here, and you can see it here. Okay. Now the eclipse launch pad will be this eclipse new moon, right? Above that is very, very extremely bullish for a pop if the timing looks right. And you can see here, right? We had the new moon. It was above it for the new moon, and then we had a fake out 2 days of it going down. But right on those both days, it was kind of hovering over this new moon, right? So we have basically the same exact thing. We had a new moon 2 days before the new moon. It kind of like stalled out a little bit, but it's right there on the launch pad from that last eclipse. It's the same exact thing, right? So we had right after that new moon, we had 2 days of a drop, okay, and then it started popping, and then we had the high, and we had the high the following day, right? 4 days after. So here for trading days after, right? So we have new moon here. If I count 4 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're looking the day after earnings, right? And look at the way it all looks very similar. Okay. So what I'm thinking is we're going to drop on Monday and drop on Tuesday. Maybe they might try to shake a few people out. But I plan on loading a bag the day before earnings, and then the day after earnings. If we get an opportunity to get back in there before it runs up, I'm going to get some more the day of earnings. Okay. But yeah, it's very clear. It looks pretty much the same, does it not? Okay. All right. So don't forget to check out this video to get a better understanding of all this. But I just wanted to let the moon lords know that I am expecting a continuation of this new moon to keep going and potentially get the pop 4 days after, if not the day of earnings. Okay. We might just start running up, but I do kind of think that we will get another opportunity to get in. So you all let me know what you think. Do you guys think we're going to pop next week? Do you think it's going to be basically a pop and a drop based on dilution? Do you think that we're going to even pop for a new moonshot this year, or what? Tell me what you guys are thinking. But hey, I'm very, very, very bullish for this current situation, and I will be taking a very big risk for next week. So we'll see what's good. I'll update you guys later. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Until next time, I'm Jason Alexander, the Blue Moon and Neptune, here to help you navigate through the illusions of life. You're watching the Market Moon Lord, where you merge your mission with the stars. Until next time, peace.